We're ready to start making the body of the dragonfly. What we're going to do is take this 11 by 14 paper. It's a medium weight paper, and we're going to cut strips that are about 1.5 to 2 inches wide. We're going to take them all the way up, and then what we'll end up doing is cutting them in half. So we'll cut that in half, and we want about 6 to 7 pieces that are about that length. We want to make sure that we're cutting them pretty straight, pretty even. Otherwise, our circles, when we make these into little loops, are going to be off a bit. We're going to line them up in a perfect line to create the dragonfly's body. So we want to make sure that our sizes work. So we have our strips, and now we have these little pieces of tape. We're going to roll and tape them down the long way. Just like that, so that the loop holds well. And set it aside. We're going to do this for all the pieces, 6 or 7 of them. And it's okay if they actually are gradual in size. If some are tighter looped than others, we'll figure that out as we lay them out.